Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
So yeah, I decided to record me doing his hair out of nowhere. Usually, honestly, he was the first person I ever started dreads on. Like, he didn't have dreads. I don't know if you guys remember him being on my channel and he had the little fro. I started his dreads for him. He was my first person I ever did like dreads on, honestly. And to be honest, I didn't know what I was doing, and I still don't know what I'm doing. Like, I'm guessing as I go along. That's how I teach myself. Like, I just guessed different techniques. The first time I did his hair, I was using this Jamaican mango and lime locking gel. It's good and all that good stuff. But honestly, I just gotta learn how to, like, because I don't have a dryer, I have to learn how to, like, keep the ends and everything locked. And you know what I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Like, it usually gets big. Like, it swells up. It doesn't stay skinny as it looks now. But, this is my first time today using Murray's beeswax on him. You guys saw me use this before on my edges, and I can say I honestly like the way this turned out. I feel it's more tackier than the locking gel. The locking gel is real watery. That's why I don't like it. It smells good though, but it's really watery. The beeswax, y'all know, if you know beeswax, y'all know the hole is like really tacky and sticky. But yeah, come show your hair real quick. But guys, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm learning. So if you guys have any pointers or anything, let me know. I'm open to hear anything. I'm not gonna be upset about, oh, you did it wrong. I don't care. Let me know what I did wrong so I can learn how to do it right.
And tag Durkio because he the reason why I got my dreads.
Oh, okay. Anyways, guys, that is the end of this video. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. On the road to 30K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your bitch, watch her drown. All of my blood for the pounds. Wait, our future years right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch it do coke. Broke as hell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling out the shows.